Hello students, welcome to Career 360. What I'm going to discuss now is a DU college cutoff because a couple of days back you actually had the CUT round 3 cutoff or what you call also the mid round cutoff. In this particular round, people who did not get into anything in the first two rounds participate. Besides that, it also opens up for those students who could get in between because earlier the documents were rejected or some other reason, but they could actually get in between and start participating in this round. So what we're talking of is the DU college cutoff for the round 3 or what you call as a mid round cutoff also, and we'll only deal with political science at this point in time, and we'll keep doing for some other branches also as we move along, but right now I'm going to discuss political science only. We're talking about round 3 cutoff comparison. We'll compare with what happened in 25 versus what happened in 26. Now after this you must remember there's only a spot round that's out there. So this is very crucial for students who participated in round 3 and where they stand at this point in time. Now, a lot of students also at this point in time would know what are the chances of getting into a decent college or in a branch of your choice. And if you're still confused or if you still think that there is a better opportunity for you waiting somewhere out or you want to explore other opportunities, then you can send us a message on this number 8130-3763334. Send us a message, apply. One of our counselors will call you and also guide you into any other college if need be. And if you want to get into any of the foreign campuses that are setting up campus in India, which is UGC approved, send us a message foreign on the same number, 8130-3763334, and we'll have a counselor call you up. Do subscribe, Career 360 on YouTube channel because we're creating a series of information to help students, especially CUT, because it's a very complicated and complex process. And our objective is simple: to put in data information so that you can take the most important decision in a very informed way. And this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities, and also ranked among the top 3% globally based on the World Universities rankings. Now let's go to the CUT round 3 cutoff, or what you call as the mid round cutoff. And remember, we are only talking of political science at this point in time, right? The first one is Aryabhatta. This is all Aryabhatta College, New Delhi. BA Political Science Honors is what they have as a program. And last year it was 769.45. This time it's 791.98. So it's gone up a bit. And by the way, last year the minimum rank was 702. Also got a seat last year on the spot. Mata Sundari College for Women, BA History and Political Science, 558.81 last year. This year it's 642.45. It's gone up dramatically. Last year it ended with 538.07 in the spot round. Bhagini Nivedita College, New Delhi, 566.60 last year. This year it's 514.46. So it's fallen this time. And last year it ended with 522.16. Bhagini Nivedita College, New Delhi, BA Economics and Political Science. The early one was BA History and Political Science. The last year was 567.27. This year it's 532.21. It fell by 35 marks and it ended with 499 last year. Bhagini Nivedita College again, BA Food Technology and Political Science, 522.79. This year it's 467.40, a dramatic fall of 55, and ended with 494.88 last year from 522. So you still have some kind of a journey to carry. Bhagini Nivedita again, BA Computer Science and Political Science, 536.48 last year, 445.0, a dramatic fall of 90 marks. That is unheard of. But there is a lot of volatility because of the mid round, remember? Because we are only dealing with those students who could not get anything earlier or people who participated midway, which means suddenly the score gets exposed, which was not exposed earlier, and they may also get into the whole thing, which is what seems to have happened here. So it can go up or go down depending on how many people enter the round at round for the mid round level, and ended with 474.20 last year. Then Aditi Mahavidyalaya, BA Education and Political Science, 553.67 last year. This year it's 503.05, 50 marks down, and ended with 467.49 last year. Bhagini Nivedita College, BA Human Development and Family Empowerment, 527.69 last year, 467.40 current year, 60 marks down, ended with 466 last year as compared to 527. Bhagini Nivedita again, BA Political Science and Nutrition and Health Education, 532.98 last year, 467.40 current year, and it's 65 marks down, ended with 450 last year. Bhagini Nivedita again, BA Music and Political Science, 521.57 last year, 489.77 this year, a drop of 31 marks, and ended with 442.75 last year. Bhagini Nivedita again, BA Political Science and Apparel Design and Construction, 516.20. By the way, whatever is not here, it means that they're already filled in as far as political science is concerned. Those colleges which are not represented here, which means they've already filled in their seats. That's what it means. 467.40 current year, and with 440.68 last year. Kalindi College, New Delhi, BA Sanskrit and Political Science, 441.37 last year, 433.49 in the current years, dropped by 7.88, ended with 257 last year. Bhagini Nivedita again comes in, BA Sanskrit and Political Science, 252.70 last year, 352.38 this year, a jump of 99.68. Last year it ended with 252.7, which is the last round. Lakshmi Bai College, 241.53 last year, 377.18 this year. They told you the volatility comes in because mid-round people come in and start taking seats. So suddenly you actually have huge swings that keep happening because that score was not exposed to the system in the earlier rounds. 135.65 is the difference. 181.61 is where it ended. Aditi Mahavidyalaya, BA Sanskrit and Political Science, 337.44 last year, 158.99 in the current year, 178.46 is what the difference is. Ended with 162.90 as the minimum rank last year, minimum score. Zakir Hussain Postgraduate Evening College, New Delhi, BA Persian and Political Science, 338.64 last year, 359.38 current year. Ended with 20 marks is the difference. Ended with 112.37 last year by the time it. So that's what you have as far as political science is concerned. Anything associated with political science. And remember, these are only the colleges that are still open for admission. But I don't know, many of those things are over. And what we're showing now is still what is open or which still was considered at the end of round 3, which means some of these colleges will still be open for the spot round also. So keep your eyes and ears open for if you want to get into political science or anything associated with that. That's a list that you're dealing with. If you still want to explore other opportunities beyond the DU colleges, then send us a message apply on 8130 376334 and we'll be happy to help you. One of our counselors will call you and understand what your issues are and try to help you out. Do subscribe to Career 360 because we're creating a lot of content to help students decide for themselves. And this is a series that we're doing. It's not a one-off thing. It's a series that we're doing. And this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and also ranked among the top 3% globally. I hope this helps you. Thank you so much. Namaste.